Well, this is disappointing. I've just started this 30 days sprint, walking every morning and talking to you about one of my 30 baby steps. Look at my hair. We got rain. I don't know how this will turn out, but today's a quick one. Salad dressing. You probably need to change yours. If you're using a bottled salad dressing, check the label. It's likely made with vegetable oil, corn oil, safflower, or sunflower corn oil. You don't want any of those. What you want is your new favorite, your homemade vinaigrette. So before you put your salad in your bowl, pour in some olive oil, nice heart healthy olive oil. We all need more of it. A splash of vinegar, and stir it with a fork. Go ahead, throw in some salt, pepper, seasoning if you want, and then put your salad on top. Easy peasy. If that's too boring, and you desperately want to buy your salad dressing, you can. But look for one made with 100% avocado oil. Not a blend, not with, but 100%. The other thing is some of those dressings that we've been buying for years are not only made with vegetable oil, they might have sugar in there, they might have additives in there. And you're thinking, but it's not much. It's enough. It's enough to harm your body. So if you must take store-bought 100% avocado oil, I'm going to warn you, it will congeal inside the fridge. Ugh. It's not my fave. Homemade vinaigrette, your new fave. All right. Let's hope tomorrow's weather's better. Thank you for spending time with me. I'm Eileen. I'm healing my brain through a clean, low-carb diet. Until tomorrow, let's stay strong, wise, kind, and good by choosing good food for good health.